یہ علم و ہنر کا ہے مرکز جو صفا ہے اسکول یہاں، یہ علم و ہنر کا ہے مرکز جو صفا ہے اسکول یہاں، ہر آنکھ کو بھاتا ہے منظر، ہر شخص کے دل کی دھڑکن ہے، ہر آنکھ کو بھاتا ہے منظر، ہر شخص کے دل کی دھڑکن ہے، ہوتی ہے یہاں پر تربیت، ہوتی ہے یہاں پہ تربیت، اور نظم بھی ہے معقول یہاں، یہ علم و ہنر کا ہے مرکز صفا ہے اسکول یہاں، یہ رشک جنا ہے باغ ارم جو صفا ہے اسکول یہاں، یہ فیض ہمیشہ جاری رہے، اسکول یہاں آباد رہے، یہ فیض ہمیشہ جاری رہے، اسکول یہاں آباد رہے، ہر نظم یہاں کا ہے دینی، ہر نظم یہاں کا ہے دینی، اور رب سے دعا معمول یہاں، یہ علم و ہنر کا ہے مرکز جو صفا ہے اسکول یہاں، یہ رشک جنا ہے باغ ارم جو صفا ہے اسکول یہاں، راضی و غزالی کا ورثہ پروان چڑھایا جاتا ہے، راضی و غزالی کا ورثہ پروان چڑھایا جاتا ہے، سینہ کے علوم عصریہ، سینہ کے علوم عصریہ کا اچھا ہے مدلول یہاں، یہ علم و ہنر کا ہے مرکز جو صفا ہے اسکول یہاں، یہ رشک جنا ہے باغ ارم جو صفا ہے اسکول یہاں، شامل ہے مفتی صاحب کا اخلاص در و دیوار میں بھی، شامل ہے مفتی صاحب کا اخلاص در و دیوار میں بھی، ہے جہد مسلسل سلمہ کی، ہے جہد مسلسل سلمہ کی، اور کوشش بھی مقبول یہاں، یہ علم و ہنر کا ہے مرکز جو صفا ہے اسکول یہاں، یہ رشک جنا ہے باغ ارم جو صفا ہے اسکول یہاں، جو آئے یہاں پڑھنے کے لیے فارابی و کندی بن جائے، جو آئے یہاں پڑھنے کے لیے فارابی و کندی بن جائے، قلب حسین احمد کی دعا ہے، قلب حسین احمد کی دعا، اے کاش کی ہو مقبول یہاں، یہ علم و ہنر کا ہے مرکز جو صفا ہے اسکول یہاں، یہ رشک جنا ہے باغ ارم جو صفہ ہے اسکول یہاں، یہ علم و ہنر کا ہے مرکز، جو صفہ ہے اسکول یہاں.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zakir. My topic is judiciary system. The judiciary is divided into several levels. The accused standing in law. The lawyer is fighting the case in all three courts. Different people have come to testify for both the accused. The biggest level court of India is Supreme Court. The middle level court of India is High Court. The lowest level court of India is District Court. Decide over court proceeding, ensuring the fairness and upholding the law. Assalamu alaikum.
I will tell you about India at the Olympics. India took part at the Olympics. The Olympics is a big sport event. It happens every 4 years.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad for grade 7. My GK project is medicinal plants. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a plant. Aloe vera leaves are green and fleshy. Dodder flower is a very beautiful flower. The dodder vine is one of those.
My name is Our national symbol, national flag is Tiranga, national food is mango, national game is hockey, national bird is peacock, national animal is tiger, national flower is lotus, national Ashoka Chakram. Assalamualaikum. My name is Farid Salim. This project is on freedom fighters. Who are the real heroes and who are the freedom fighters? The real heroes and the freedom fighters are not only this. Also, their families have sacrificed their life for our freedom. So we must have to appreciate them. Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the first Prime Minister of India. Mahatma Gandhi was a freedom fighter. Dr. Manmohan Singh is the 13th Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. My name is Zainab. This project is Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru was India's first Prime Minister of the Demon of India from 15 August 1947 until 26 January 1950. Indira Gandhi, she was the first female Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi surveyed as the Prime Minister of India. My name is Aisha Mehman. My project is about our solar system. First Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, eighth Neptune. I am studying in 6th standard. I made the project of solar system. There are 8 members in solar family. First is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to Sun. Second is Venus. Venus is the second planet to Earth. To Sun. Earth is the only planet which have light. Mars is also known as a red planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet on our solar system. Saturn, second largest planet in our solar system. Uranus is smallest planet in our solar system. Neptune is discovered in 1846. My name is Aisha Salman. I am grade 6. This project is about animals and there are these is 20. My name is Ita. My mother helped me with my project. This is aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. The aquatic plants is hydraulic plants. The aquatic plants is 3 types. For example,
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sarah Khan from grade 7B. I prepared a project on judiciary system. There are three types of code: district code, high code, and supreme code. First, the lowest and the first code, district code. It handles the civil and the criminal cases in it. Second, high code. High court handles the law and the order of government. Third and the final court, Supreme Court. It is the final decision of the criminal is announced in Supreme Court.
From 7th, we might protect the medicinal plant. This is the Oriental Arboncle. This is the vegetable tree for hind tree. This is the golden pothos. The golden pothos is one of the most popular of all house plants. This is the coriander. Coriander is commonly called dhania kothmir. This is the mint. Mint is commonly called pudina. Aloe vera is a medicinal plant. Aloe vera is generally considered for hair. Ginger is a versatile root with numerous and supporting heart health.
My name is Mansoori Masna. This is ajwain. This helps in blood circulation and improve bone health. This is aloe vera. This helps in wound healing and antiviral. This is neem plant. This helps in eye trouble and blood purification.
My name is Shekha from class 7. I made a project on judiciary system. First, High Court. High Court is the axis of India. High Court is higher court. Second, Supreme Court. Supreme Court is established on 26 January. Supreme Court is highest court. District Court. District Court is a small pieces court.
My name is Arman Yusuf. I want to represent about the solar system. Let's start. The sun is at the center of the solar system. 8 planets move around the sun. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. The solar system is a Milky Way of the galaxy.
Mama from grade 8B. My project is on disaster management. Disasters are causing great loss of life, damage, or hardship. There are two types of disaster. First is natural disaster. Natural disaster arise from natural phenomena like earthquake, tsunami, volcano eruption, landslides, avalanches, etc. Second is man-made disaster. Man-made disaster is caused by humans like industrial accident, technology disaster, conflicts and war, bomb blast, and pollution, etc. Thank you.
My name is Venezuela from 7th B. It is a project of GK on the topic of judiciary system. First is district court. District court is for trial with original justification for civil and criminal cases. Second, high court. High court is the appellate for each states and union territories. Number 3, Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the last court. The last and the final decision was taken in the Supreme Court.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mansoori Zuberia from 7th B. I have prepared a project on medicinal plants. Here are some examples of it. The first is aloe vera. It is so great for our health and skin. This is tulsi. It is useful for cold and flu, and it is rich in vitamin C. This is ajwain. Ajwain boosts our immune system. This is curry leaves. It prevents diabetes. This is coriander. It is helpful for our stomach health.